Hello and welcome. I am Otis Landerholm, the founding attorney here at Landerholm Immigration A.P.C., where we fight for your American dream. Right here, I'm holding up a memo that was released on June 28th of 2018 by the Trump administration that changes the policy of the United States Citizenship and Immigration Service regarding the issuance of notices to appear, or NTAs. All right? What does this memo really mean for you? What it really means is that if you filed something with the Immigration Service, and if you don't have a backup, right? If you don't have a visa that's valid, if you don't have a, some other permit, right, that allows you to have legal status in the United States, if the Citizenship and Immigration Service denies your case, they're very likely going to issue a notice to appear and send you to immigration court. All right? So what that means is if you are filing a petition, right, for a spouse or a loved one, and that person doesn't have documents, be careful. Because if you file and if you lose, that person could very well be issued a notice to appear in immigration court. Also, if you're filing for a U visa, right, and you don't have status, you're allowed to do that. But beware that if you file and if your case is denied, you could be sent a notice to appear and you could be asked to appear in front of an immigration judge. All right? It's not fun to appear in front of an immigration judge, but it's not the end of the world either, right? People do still have options when they're in immigration court. You're just going to need a good immigration lawyer that knows this stuff and that can really explain to an immigration judge what you're eligible for, right? And can be really explain to you also what you would be eligible for, what your best arguments would be if your case were denied and if you were sent in front of the court. So that's it. This memo came out, and what it says is now immigration applications are riskier than they were in the past, because what happens is that if the Citizenship and Immigration Service, USCIS, decides that you are not eligible for the benefit you are seeking, then they won't just leave it there. They will go forward with issuing a notice to appear against you and making you to go and talk about it with the judge. Is that clear? Does that make sense? So hopefully you got that. And if you have further questions, please put yourself in contact with my office. I would love to answer any questions that you have. Everybody that contacts our office gets a free evaluation, all right, to determine whether or not the paid-for consultation makes sense for you, all right? And I'd love to have my team walk you through that process. And thank you very much for watching this. And if you're in that situation, please, right below this video, we'll put our phone number. It's 510-488-1020. Feel free to call us. And thanks, and I wish you the very best of luck with your case. And again, I'm Otis Landerholm, founding attorney here at Landerholm Immigration A.P.C., where we fight for your American dream. Thank you.